Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Theresia Virta Ariesti with last digit number 084 and I'm from class 6B. So today I will present mathematical ideas about geometry volume of 3D shapes. So we're going to the preliminary first. So what is volume? Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. So we will calculate how much capacity is in the shape of the 3D shapes or object. So we can use V, capital letters, as a symbol of volume. And the measurement of volume is cubic meters or meters cubic. So volume is a 3D measurement. So it can be measured in meter cubic or cubic meters or simply in liters. Liters are usually used to measure volumes of liquids or gases. So we're going to go to the second picture. We're going to discuss about 3D shapes construction. So what do you see in the picture? Do you know what's the name of the object? Yeah, that's right. There is a dice. A dice, and what kind of dice is 3 shapes? It's a cube. Dice is a cube. So what is the characteristic you know about the cube? It has the same side length. It is one of the characteristics of the cube. So if I write the side in this area is 5 centimeters, and then this side, if this side 5 centimeters, of course, the other side is same. The other sides are same. All of the sides have 5 centimeters long. And how to count the volume of the cube? We can use this formula. Cube formula is S cubic or S cross S cross S. So the side is 5 centimeters. So we can multiply 5 by 3 times. So what we got, 5 cross 5 cross 5 is 125 centimeter cubic. So that's the answer of the volume of the cube. Okay. The next slide, we have the arrangement of cubes that are constructed forms cuboid. So how many cubes are there? How can we count how many cubes that forms into the cuboid? We're going to count the number of cubes on the front, sides, and up. So for the front, it's in here, it's the front. We can use it as length or L. So we can count how many cubes on the front. 1, 2, 3. So the length of the cuboid is 3. And then how about the width? The width is on the sides. Is in here. The width. So we can count it as 1, 2. So the width is 2. And then how about the height? Of course, the height is up from bottom to up. So how many cubes are contracted? There is 1 and 2. So the height is 2. So how can we count the volume of the cuboid? We can use the formula L cross W cross H, or length cross width cross height. 3 cross 2 cross 2. We got the answer is 12. So how many cubes are there in the picture beside? 12 cube units. So now we're going to go to the first picture. Okay, now we're going to count the volume of 3D shapes. The first is triangular prism. So we're going to find the volume. Okay, before we do the exercise, do you know the volume formula of triangular prism? Actually, let's go to the best first. So if you know the volume formula of prism and cylinder is base cross height. And look at the base. What form is that? What it looks like? I mean the 2D shapes. It's triangle, right? It's triangle. So do you still remember the triangle area formula? That's right. It's half cross base cross height. So we can substitution. The formula is half cross base. I mean the base of the 2D shapes, okay? The base of the triangular prism space. And then cross height of the base of the triangular prism base. That's what I mean. So we're going to use the lowercase. For the B and H, we use the lowercase. And then this formula, we can cross it with H. So we got the volume formula of triangular prism. And then now we're going to count and find the volume of this exercise. So before that, we're going to search the measure of this object. There are 17 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. Now we're going to substitution these three measures to the formula. So we get okay, a half point B. What is the measure of base? You can look on the base. The base is 17 centimeters, okay? 17 centimeters. And then how about the height of the base? The height of the base is 13. Now the height of the 3D shapes or triangular prism is 12 centimeters. And then now we count it. We got 1,326 centimeters cubic. How to make cubic in here? It's centimeter cubic. Okay, the next we're going to the cylinder. Okay, now we find the volume of cylinder. You know, right? This formula is used for prism and cylinder. So we're going to use this volume again. Base cross height. And then look at the base right now. What is the two T shapes formed? It's circle. You're right, this is circle. And do you know the circle area formula? That's right. It's P cross R square. It's for base, and then cross with this one with the height. Now we got the volume of cylinder. And now we're going to find the volume. P. What's the value of P? It's 3.14 or 22 per 7. It's up to you what we're going to use. I think because the radius is 2, maybe we can use 3.14. Okay. And then the radius is 2. 2.2. Sorry, 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. Or 2 square. And then cross with the height. The height is 15. Now we're going to count it. 3.14 cross 4 cross 15. We got 188.4 centimeters cubic. Okay. And then we're going to pyramid. Okay, the pyramid, it's a little bit different from the prism and cylinder volume formula. So the volume formula of the volume formula of pyramid and cone. Oh my god, this is not cube. This is cone. Okay, the volume formula of pyramid and cone is 1/3 cross base cross height. So it's same, but you can put the 1/3 in front of the base and height. Okay, now we're going to decide the volume formula. The base is, what do you see in here? The two digits. That's right, it's square. So what's the square area formula? It's a square or length square, okay? A square cross height. So the side or the length is 8 centimeters. So 8.8 8 square. And then the height is 12. So we got 256 centimeters cubic. Centimeters cubic. And then how about cone? It's same. The formula it's same with pyramid. It's same as pyramid. So it's like the formula of cone. It's like 1/3 of cone formula of cylinder. Or like this. I mean like this. Volume of cylinder. You know, right? The formula? The cylinder is PR square cross H. PR square cross H. So we're going to substitution in here. Yeah, we got the full formula of cone. And then we're going to count. Look at the radius. Radius is 8. So we can use 3.14 cross 8. 8 square. And then cross. The height is 18. And then we got the result is 1,205.76 centimeter cubic. Now we're going to sphere. It has a different formula from the pyramid, cone, prism, and cylinder. It's different. So the full formula of sphere is 4/3 cross p cross radius 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 cubic. That's the full formula of sphere. So we're going to count it. So look at the radius first. It's 3. So we decide to use 3.14 for the p, and then the radius is 3. So we got the answer is 113.04 centimeter cubic. That's the answer. Okay. How is it? Do you get it? It's easy, right? You can do your own exercises at home by changing the numbers, or you can go to an upgrade level by splitting the object in half or combining one 3D shape with another 3D shape. Thank you for watching. Sorry if there are mistakes because I'm also human. If you have any question, you can direct message to me or comment in the below. And thank you everyone. Have a nice day.